In 12.1 we introduced split editor views, which have quality work this release by the way, which was a reworking of how the editor can work and be configured within an IDE window, allowing multiple editors. This technology has allowed us to add another new IDE editor feature, and that's Focus Mode. Focus Mode is similar to what's known as Zen Mode in other IDEs, but we gave it a different name to avoid any religious terminology, and because it is all about focus. The idea is just your code editor. That's it, only code. And we remove most of the IDE UI and even remove other UI, the idea being that it is an IDE mode to use for distraction-free, focused coding. To open Focus Mode for the current editor, press Ctrl-Alt-Z or use the tab menu. You can see on screen in the background what it looks like in light mode by default. It is full screen with a centered editor. And that's it. You can even, and see the screenshot at the front, reduce editor UI by turning off things like the navigation toolbar or showing the blue dots. Again, the idea is to have a focus on code and remove as much of everything else as is possible and useful to still allow it to be just you and your code. Here's a screenshot in dark mode, which is my favorite way of using it. And note we support split editors in Focus Mode too, and you can use Ctrl F12 or one of the toolbar buttons at the top to open units. So that's Focus Mode. Remove distracting UI and have just you and your code. We hope you'll find it useful for those long or complex coding sessions.